Hello and welcome to Just Nice Clean Cars, and this is a video of our Peugeot 3008 WK64 XBT. It's a 1.6 diesel, and you see it's finished in black. Lovely car. It's had 2 owners and it's had so far 5 services. We will service it, so it's really been looked after. It's in lovely condition with nice bright alloy wheels. Going around the car for you. Just open the boot. So the car hasn't been valeted, so it's still yet to be valeted. But it's a lovely looking car. So the interior. Go around and show you the cockpit of the car. We can arrange finance at 3.75%. So it's done 54,000 miles, 2 owners, had service history, and if you're interested, just bring your driving licence with you and we can arrange a test drive straight away so you can have a feel and see how it drives on the road. Hope that helps. So my name's Carl and it's 01926 836 900. Thank you for watching.